I love it. All right, y'all, so let's jump right into this video. I'm excited. I got my water ready to get these curls defined. Again, this is my V-part wig. We're gonna go ahead and cut this little string from the middle. This is your normal V-part wig. It has clips at the top along the leave out area, some combs on the side, as well as one comb at the bottom. You have your adjustable straps here. And then with the newer construction of a V-part wig, you have a drawstring. So you can tighten your wig here to make sure that bad boy do not fly, no matter how hard the wind is blowing. I love that they do this now. You can actually put this on top of your head as like a ponytail too, honestly. Put it on like a ponytail and pull that string and tie it around your natural ponytail. Yeah, another video for another day. And usually I cornroll my hair. This time I just pulled it back. So you can put your hair in one ponytail, two ponytails, do cornrows, whatever makes you happy. There is no right or wrong answer. So let's go ahead and put her on. Actually, I'm going to define my curls first. See, this is a Kinky curly wig. And yes, I can wear the wig like this in its natural state. But I'm going to go and define my curls so that when I put it on my head, I'm not tugging on it and then I have to reposition and all that other good stuff. So just going in with my water. Do I want to go actually wet it? Because nothing is getting defined. Yeah. Let me go submerge baby girl under some water. Try not to get the inner cap wet, because that little bit of water is just making the hair fluffier. 1 second. Okay, so I defined my curls, just trying to get all the extra water out. Now, let's put this bad boy on. Look at her though. Look how juicy the curls are. This hair, it loves water, I can see. Push these clips out. I pull this up just to make sure it stays flat. Okay, trying to get as close to the part as I can. Don't worry, because it's going to slide back just a little. The question is, do I even need to crochet any? Like, I love the way they have constructed this V-part wig. Hold on, let me take this out. You see how there's no track exposed at the top? Like they brought the hair from the inside of the wig cap over the top. So you see that? You can't see the track. Do I even need to crochet? Hold on, let me bring this side in a little closer. Let's start like right on the part. And push it, clip it. Look at this side. Crochet where? Okay, let's do the same thing over here. Let's get these guys a little closer. And you see, I don't even have braids. I just slicked my hair back and it ain't even slick. Close to the part. Okay, I'm so excited because sometimes I don't want to crochet. I don't want to take little pieces and go in and out. And with this wig, you don't have to. Hold on, it's one more clip right here. I'm going to push down. Clip that. Okay, let me put some hair over so I can see my part a little bit more. And let me push this over because I feel like I'm like this. Thank you, I can see. So this look good as it is. I'm just trying to go through and roughen up that little area. That's it. Now this look as if I crocheted, like no hook needed. Honestly, that may be why the V-part wig company started to pull the hair from inside, bringing it over, because the girly started crocheting through the part, because we don't have time to be trying to match these curls to our natural curl texture. It's too much. Okay, let me not fluff it out too much and go through and define some of the curls. Like this area right here needs a little definition. When I wet my hair a couple minutes ago, I only used water. I didn't use conditioner or anything. I just stood at the sink, ran it under some water, and kept combing it with my little Demon brush. Demon brush cousin. I need another one. I done had this one like 5 years. Probably more. Okay, a little bit in the front. And that curl is really defined. We're going to leave her alone. The ones that's defined like this section is not. So, but y'all see what little effort I put into this V-part wig? Me going in defining the curls is just being extra because one, I need this video to be 8 minutes long. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. Little curls. Okay, I think that's short enough because when it dries, it's gonna come up. How adorable! No latch hook needed. Get the no leave out crochet method. Let me show you the back. So say on Monday, middle part. Tuesday, if you want a side part, just do your side part with your natural hair and push the wig over to the side. Boom, side part. I'll leave a link down below where I did a side part on a V-part wig. Go check that out. Wednesday for work, you may want to pull these two together and do you know, a little bang action. But you get the picture, right? Wednesday, braid with bangs. Thursday, you may want to pull a little bit back. Let's do a clip here. Still can't tell. Let's do it. Thursday, pull some back. Oh, that's cute. Whose hair? Wig where? Okay, Friday. Get that there. Give me that back. Oh, okay, I know. I have a big rubber band. Pull all her back. Friday. Yes, baby. Because it's at the end of the week, you know, just push it back. Real cute. 5 different styles with this V-part wig. Take it off at night, put it back on in the morning. No latch hook needed. So many styles you can do. Yes, come through Friday. 5 days a week. Tell me. Pull her out, fluff her back up. I love the little short pieces. It's so cute. Okay, so I will go ahead and let this dry a little bit, and I'll be back when it's drier. All right, so my hair is about 80-85% dry. You see how short my bangs have gotten now that they're drying? And believe it or not, and this is all I cut off. So yeah. I love it. Love this. It's super cute. So click the link down below so you can go get yours. You don't even have to do that much work. Take this, toss that out. You won't need it. Look at me like, All right, you guys. Love you, and I'll see you next time. Oh yeah, I gotta show you how I remove it. Of course. Yeah. Oh, it's water. Might be a little less than 80% dry. Yeah. Go get yours, baby.